Let's start at mudshare.com. In the menu bar, click the Mapping tool. In the search address bar, type your desired location area. This will be your starting point to identify your monitoring range. Let's drill down the map to see the area we are targeting. Next, we click on the circle icon to create the center of our monitoring radius. We can drag our range in and out. You can use the Edit tool to change and move your monitored area. It can be your location, a competitor, anywhere you'd like to monitor traffic. Now that we've found our location, let's create a GeoDirect zone. Use the GeoDirect tool to create your custom link.